Have you ever had to convert a design into HTML page where every section shares the same container width on both desktop and mobile, but suddenly the designer wants part of a section to be full width? Many of us end up writing a bunch of extra CSS or using width 100 viewport width, which can cause annoying horizontal scroll bars and other issues. Today I'll show you a much simpler solution, just two lines of CSS using negative margins. In our example, we have small landing page with the header, a main section, a nature communities section, and a footer. Each section's content is wrapped in the same container class. This container has a max width of 1000 pixels for a desktop and width 90% for the mobile, and margin line auto centers our container. This gives us a consistent layout. Now our designer wants these blocks to stretch to the full width of the page only on mobile. The first approach we can think of is overriding a container to width 100% and make the other parts of the nature communities section behave just like our standard container. This is a lot of code and it can quickly become cumbersome. If your section has multiple elements, you need your style. The second approach is using width 100 viewport width and adjusting margins. As you see, when you use width 100 viewport width, some browsers measure the entire browser window width, including the space for a vertical scroll bar, rather than just the content area. Because of this, your element may become slightly wider than the visible page content area, causing this unwanted horizontal scroll bar to appear. And here is our little line negative margin trick. So instead of using width 100 viewport width, simply add negative side margins equal to half the leftover space. So as you see, margin left minus 5% and margin right minus 5%. Because our container is 90% wide, an extra 5% on each side stretches our box across the whole width without causing a horizontal scroll bar. That's it. Just two lines of CSS. This trick ensures any part of the layout that needs to go full width can do so smoothly and save you from filling or repetitive code. Alright, that's it for today's trick. I hope you have seen how two simple lines of negative margin can save you from extra code, headaches, and those pesky horizontal scroll bars. Now you can quickly achieve a full width effect for any part of your layout without messing around with 100 viewport width or stacking up endless media queries. If you found this tip helpful, let me know by liking or commenting, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss more cool CSS hacks and web tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.